Hello and welcome back to the studio. So guess what? We are going to take a look at essential oils this month. Not only essential oils, but aromatherapy and a few personal blends with really basic supplies. I've set out here, of course, my watercolor set, the pencils we used in the previous month, and also a few watercolor pages that we are going to turn into a new sketchbook or a new journal. Now I had to sneak this in here just to give you an idea of where we're heading. And you won't need extravagant supplies. You'll need scissors, some clips, thread to tie your pages together, and a little bit of glue. We won't worry about the front cover just yet. All we need is a place to be creative. Now, in case you haven't seen this coloring page come together in the Powerful Floral Remedies, you can always go back and watch that lesson. I will add the video description below so that you can follow along and create a whole scene from one coloring page. And enjoy the process of being creative. You don't have to create a journal. You can create a page, a spread, reimagine a coloring book, anything you feel like doing, as long as you are making time for your brain to relax and to unwind after a busy day. This is also the perfect video to watch after this one. But let's get back to that essential oil blend that you could mix up now to create your environment, thereby helping your mind and body relax so that you have more energy tomorrow to take on those challenges. And remember, if you're at all interested in the booklet with the essential oils, their uses, their safety regulations, and all kinds of beautiful things, along with the printable for the first pictures we're going to do in our new little journal, then you are more than welcome to find all the links you need in the description below. This is only week 1 of an entire month of self-mastery through the pages of a sketchbook journal and your coloring books. These are some of my favorite essential oils to work with, and I wanted to give you something out of the ordinary because everybody else is using the same old essential oils that everyone is already used to. I want to uplift your experience and give you something new to look forward to. And all that's left to do is to screw the top back on, and every time you use it, to shake the bottle properly. Spray liberally in your area and enjoy the fragrance that you've just created. So that was Sicilian lemon, Moroccan rose, and rose geranium. Enjoy! Now that you have the room spray, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to create a room spray for yourself. But do try these out. I know it's slightly advanced and not oils we generally find, but they are beautiful to work with and uplift the energy in the room to highs that your mind will enjoy.